Is your social media marketing firm breaking the law on your Facebook page? Is your team putting you at risk for an expensive lawsuit? I'm Jennifer Kilkenny with Total Social Solutions, and today on the first edition of Total Social Solutions, Social Media Marketing News and Tips, we're going to tackle the important issues of copyright infringement online, particularly on social media, and how it risks the future financial stability of your practice. Most Facebook page owners and marketers are breaking the law. This is equally true of the world of plastic surgery, dermatology, and other medical aesthetic practices, which is the type of clientele that we exclusively work with at TSS. The individuals who are generally maintaining these social spaces aren't marketers or people familiar with intellectual property laws and how violating them can cause expensive legal headaches for business owners. Today we're going to empower you with the knowledge to make sure that whoever is managing your social media isn't opening you up to expensive lawsuits that will negatively impact the future stability of your business. Now, if you Google copyright infringement online about blogging or social media, anywhere, you will find hundreds of documented cases of lawsuits and Facebook page takedowns. We mentioned several on our blog, in various blog articles on our blog, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to name just a few examples here right now. A New York Times best-selling author was sued for posting a picture on her blog that she didn't license or have permission to post. She still got sued even though she removed the image from her blog and it had only been published for a few days. And according to her website, she was sued for, quote, more than she could afford. Facebook business pages are being removed by Facebook just because of a single complaint of copyright infringement. Pinterest users familiar with copyright laws are closing down their accounts. Getty Images is emailing business owners in droves with scary legal documents demanding payment for images used without a license. Is your internet marketing firm putting you at risk? How would you know? Ask them these questions. Where do you obtain your images? Where do you license your images? Do you have model releases for these images? Do you have permission to use photographs of celebrities on our page? How will you help me if I receive a legal document about images that you post on my behalf? Can you show me documentation about the licensing of all images you use on my business page? If they can't answer these questions sufficiently, they are likely breaking laws on your social spaces. Acceptable answers to these questions include, yes, we license all images, and these are the websites where we obtain them. There is a very long list of websites that provide this service. There are model releases for all images we post. We do not use photos of celebrities on your page because that is a violation of their personal identity rights. We will provide documentation for all licensing of images if any image service or photographer contacts you for proof of license. We only obtain our images from reputable sites that have clear licensing information or public domain sources. I'm happy to show you licensing documentation for our images. If you don't get these answers out of your social media marketer, then he or she is likely breaking the law on your social spaces and opening you up to a very expensive legal situation. Again, we cover more about this on our blog at totalsocialsolutions.com. But if you're watching this on YouTube, you'll find links to our blog articles below, including information about common copyright myths, such as long as I'm the owner, it's not copyright infringement. It is copyright infringement. The very popular SomeEcards.com and their terms of service that strictly prohibits what almost every single Facebook page owner does, putting your practice at risk for an expensive lawsuit. How we protect our clients by fully licensing any images that aren't in the public domain, preventing legal headaches by including our watermark on all images. Plus, real-world examples of how people are being sued for thousands and even tens of thousands of dollars for using images they had no rights to. If you want to learn more about how you can protect yourself from expensive legal liabilities, visit our blog at totalsocialsolutions.com/blog or click on the links below for more information about copyright laws every online marketer should know. And while you're there, find out more about what sets us apart from our competition, including how we measure real ROI in the form of phone calls and appointment requests into your medical practice, and how we're seeing up to 700% ROI for some clients. That's all for our first episode. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to our channel or visit our website to contact us and be placed on our emailing list, or check us out on our other social spaces for more helpful social media marketing tips.